Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to do a favorites. So it's been quite some time that I have done a favorites video. There was a time when I used to do a monthly favorites, but it's been more than 7 to 8 months I've not done a monthly favorites, and it's quite some time that I have sat down and filmed a video because I was feeling very low and demotivated. I because my channel is not growing to a level where I want it to be. I feel my growth is very slow. um, I don't know, I've just been feeling disappointed, and I've not been feeling motivated, but this is what I love. So I was thinking I will be back to my filming routine, and I'll be filming more videos for you guys. And I was not keeping well also. That was one of the main reason why I was not filming. So I'm back and I'm gonna film more video for you guys. So this video is going to be my favorites, not particularly a monthly favorite, but what I have been loving over the past few months. And it's not much because as I told you guys, I've not been buying or using a lot of products. I've been just feeling low. So right now I'm feeling much better. And so if you guys want to see what I've been loving for the past few months, please keep watching. So the first thing what I've been loving is a foundation from L'Oreal. It's their Matte Magique 12 hours bright matte foundation. This is the one what I'm talking about. I've already reviewed it in my blog as well. I have been using this non-stop. It's a very good foundation for daily use, and it retails only for $5.95. So I'm in the shade G3 Golden Vanilla. It's a completely matte foundation. It has got a medium to buildable coverage, and I've been absolutely loving it. You can use this for an everyday look, wherein if you're going to office or school, you can use this. It's very affordable and it works like a dream. I think what I've been loving is again a foundation. It's from Maybelline. It says Super BB Cushion Foundation, and I'm in the shade Natural. Initially I quite didn't like it because they didn't have much shade range, and this is the darkest shade, and the darkest shade is also quite light for me. Initially I didn't like it because I felt it looked very white on my face when I first applied it on my skin, but then it oxidizes and then it becomes like your skin. And I've started really loving this. The initial few minutes when you apply it, it's going to look a little powdery. That's because it's got SPF in it. So SPF 99 it's got. Other than that, it looks quite flawless on the skin, and after some time it's going to settle into your skin and look very flawless. So I've been using this also non-stop. I just wish they come up with more shades. So the next thing what I've been loving is a skincare item. It's from the Plum range. It's their E-Luminance Deep Moisturizing Cream. This is what it looks like. I've been really loving this. I use it on a daily basis. I either use it on my skin as a moisturizer. I use it before putting my makeup. I used to moisturize my face, and it's a very nice thick cream. It is not at all greasy on the skin, and it makes my skin really smooth and supple. I've been really loving this, and I've also bought their night cream. So I have been using this lately as my skincare. Like, I use this one during the day and I use a night cream at night, and it's been really working on my skin. So I will be reviewing this for you guys pretty soon. So the next thing what I've been loving is from Forest Essential. It's their facial tonic mist. It's the pure rose water. Since summers are here, I hate summers, as you all know. It makes me feel very tired, and I don't know, I just hate it. So I use this. I usually keep this in my bag. It's there with me all the time. I've been using the Kama rose water, and I'm loving it. So this one I have been using lately, and I've been obsessed with. So I have been obsessed with this one as well. As you can see, it is almost over. It's got very little amount in it, and I am planning to repurchase this, as because when I just spritz it on my face, it makes me feel very refreshed, and I really love the fragrance of it, and it is completely natural, so I've been really loving it. The next thing what I've been loving is a deo. So as you know, summers are there, and it's very necessary to as summers are there, everybody sweats a lot, and then deos are very important. So I've been really liking the mild rose fragrance. This is from Yardley London. It's their London Rose deodorant roll-on, and it is 48 hours alcohol free, antiperspirant, and it's really nice. It doesn't make me sweat, and it doesn't make me smell bad, you know. I really love smelling good, so these days I've been really loving this one. Thing is again a fragrance mist which I've been loving. It's from Body Shop. It's their White Musk Smoky Rose fragrance mist. This is how it looks like. I have the Red Musk perfume, and I absolutely love it. It has got a very nice woody sexy smell to it, and I always have this in my bag, but it is not as strong as the Red Musk, so it's a very light woody sexy kind of a smell. You can use it during the daytime as well, so I've been really loving this one as well. What I've been loving is the foundation. It's the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 230 Natural Buff. So I've been really using this. I love how natural it looks like. It does not look like you put on something on your skin. It looks very natural, flawless. So this is my third bottle. You can see how much I've been loving this. So the next foundation is my current obsession. It's from the brand PAC Cosmetics. It's their PAC HD Liquid Foundation. I'm in the shade 2.3. I have been obsessed with this one. It's again beautiful finish. It does not have any flashback in photographs, and it again looks very natural on the skin, yet it is medium to buildable coverage. It's absolutely amazing. So the next thing is again a lipstick from the same brand, PAC. I'm not sure if I have mentioned this before in one of my favorites. I think I have. It's in the shade 08. This is how it looks like. It's a beautiful brownie nude kind of a lip color, which I absolutely love. This one is again a lipstick. It's a lipstick what I'm wearing right now. It's a beautiful plum kind of a color. It's from the Lakme. I'm not sure about the range. Yeah, it's called Lakme Absolute Matte. It's in the shade Pink Glam. As you can see, it's not at all pink. It's a beautiful plum shade, which looks absolutely gorgeous, and I've been wearing it non-stop. It's from Maybelline. What I've been loving, I've been using this non-stop, and it's completely over and dried up, so I'm planning to buy a new one. It's the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. So I've been really loving this one. This makes my lashes look absolutely stunning. It looks like I have falsies on. I know like some of them don't like it because it gives your lashes a clumpy look, but I really love that look. So I've been really loving. It's a micellar water from L'Oreal. I've been really loving this one. It makes my job much easier. It removes my eye and lip makeup very easy. So this one removes my makeup like a dream. It removes my complete makeup, even if you have waterproof mascara or matte lipstick on. It's very easy to remove with this one, so I've been really digging this. The next one I've been loving is from L'Oreal. It's their Me liner. It's in the shade True Teal, and I've been really loving this. And right now the green eyeliner, the bright color eyeliner trend is on, and I've already done Deepika Padukone inspired makeup look, what she wore for Khan, and I will be uploading that. I know I'm not doing much of makeup tutorials, but I will be doing it. And the last thing but not the least thing which I have been loving is from the brand Kiehl's. It's their Midnight Recovery Concentrate. This is a cult product. I've been really loving this one. I really love using facial oils on my skin, and this one is absolutely amazing, though it's a little on the pricier side, but it's a good investment for your skin. I wear it after moisturizing my skin at night, and I wake up with baby soft glowy skin. It's absolutely magic. I don't know how they do it, but it's amazing, and I've been loving this. So that's all for my favorites, what I've been loving for the past few months. I am going to be regular in YouTube and my blogging. I'm really sorry that I've not been uploading regularly. I am back and I'll be uploading more videos. That's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up, and do let me know if you guys use any of these products. What is your favorites? I would love to know. Please comment. I'll see you guys in my next video.